All right, coach. A harsh defeat here because you guys went 1-0 up. Now you game ended 3-2 in favor of the home team, Waterhouse here. What do you take on the team performance today?
I like it. Of course, I hate the result. To not the result that we're expecting, and mainly the way that we have got this lost individual mistake that our player have been talking about this discipline. He doesn't talk to the referee, and so unfortunately our back he has got a yellow card and keep discussing. The ball went there in the place that he was, and they score one goal, and after 1 minute they go and turn the result in the same place. So I had to take off our back. That's a very good player, but he was lost of the game with yellow card.
All right. Regarding how you think the team cohesiveness is coming on now?
Yeah, it's difficult. It's a difficult job for us. Everybody knows we are in the bottom of the table time. We lost 6 points out, and some of the players cannot play in particular games because they are on loan, but we're going to continue. We have been trying to make some change. We have been trying to make some change to put the young fellows. Let's see how it's going to work.
All right, coach. Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
All right.